Hey guys, today we're going to make a smoothie in my Ninja smoothie maker. About 3/4 ice, some frozen blueberries, and then we're going to add vitamin C and some NAC. In the capsules, I just open it up, the powder in there. Now we're going to add a little sugar-free juice. It's got a little line on it, so you just fill it to the line. Got a little cap here, you just screw it on loosely. Don't make it too tight or you can't get it off. That is the one difficult thing about the Ninja. And you just flip it on, align the little, it's got these little gibbets here, you just align them, twist it. Now I'll show you, this is the Ninja. You just hit smoothie, it's got a smoothie button, simple. The smoothie's done, you just push down and twist. Open it up. We could move this back. It's got good suction cups so it doesn't slide. Now we're gonna just twist it open. And that's what it looks like. It's delicious. I also like to add a little splash of apple cider vinegar into my cup before serving. This is really good for you too. Just a splash. Not that much, just really a small amount, but it's good. And then we pour it in. There's a delicious smoothie for breakfast.